What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another banger. And in this video, I'm here with the Sunday weekly watch list for SPY, Apple, and Nvidia. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dig into this here. So I have SPY up here on the charts here. Let's go ahead and zoom out to our daily. No, let's go to our weekly time frame to see what we look like on our weekly. Okay, looks like we're steady, making higher highs. We're breaking above this little 420 430 area so far. Let's move down to our daily. So that means we're bullish on our weekly. So right now we want to kind of have calls in the back of our mind on pullbacks. Same thing with our daily. We look pretty bullish still. We had a small doji ray candle. You guys probably can't see it all that well, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in for you guys. This candle right here is very weak, is a very weak bearish candle, but it could also possibly signal a trend change, so you need to be careful. But still, we're still making these higher highs in the daily time frame. So again, I want to look for calls during the week. Let's move down to our hourly time frame. I'll be looking for rejects of 431, this area here, and I'll be looking for calls if we hold 430, or maybe this 429 area down here near prior day close for a nice bounce. If we reject 431, go straight through it. Could look for calls down there since 429 has been holding up pretty well. And prior day close ends up right there. And I also have a demand zone. So all these confluences are right lining up here for me to take calls if we do get down in this area and start to see some buyers present themselves. But yeah, that's pretty simple for SPY. That's what I'll be looking for. Again, I'll be making sure price action and volume confirms my entries and exits. Let's go down to Nvidia. So with Nvidia, I'll probably be looking to take swing trades again. This time I'll be trimming when I'm in profits instead of just staying in profits, thinking, even though, like I said in my last video, volume was there when we closed out with Nvidia. So, with the way my strategy goes and the way the market, works all around for the most part, we could have seen some more downside, but we just didn't. It just didn't happen. So it is what it is. But I'll be hopefully looking for a pop back up for a rejection up here at prior day close to probably take down to 376, hopefully. That should be pretty straightforward. Let's go down to Apple. Okay, with Apple here, let's go down. Let's see what this daily time frame is looking like. Still bullish, made this uptrend here because watch, I can make this uptrending line starting. Yep, we're on the uptrend. We dip slightly below, as you can see, but then we always reclaim it with some type of strength. See, look, we dip below, gapped up, touched the trend line, bounced up, dipped below. Buyers eventually came in with strength. Same thing, boom, bounced off with some more room up. So I'll maybe leave this trend line here just to see how it plays out. But yeah. So we're still very bullish on Apple on the weekly. So I like to look for calls. Let's go down to this hourly time frame. I definitely want to look for rejects at 182. And I want to look for calls up here at prior day close, 180. My price target will be this, 182. I'll be cutting all positions. I won't be waiting till 182.94. None of that stuff, none of that. Because as you can see, we have a clear barrier somewhat right here. A very, very clear barrier, people. And you got to be aware of those barriers, people. You got to be aware of them, or else they will destroy you. But yeah, so calls at prior day close, puts at 182.94. If we were to see some downside to 176, then I'll be looking for calls here. But if we break below prior day close and retest it with higher selling volume and price actions confirming, I'll be looking to get into puts. I'll probably swing them down to 176. Same week expiration. But yeah, that's really all I have for you guys this week. As I always say, you guys can use my levels. My levels, as you guys can see, do hold up pretty well. It's all about how you execute the trades. It's not just about your technicals. But remember, trading is risky. It's not easy. I probably can make it look easy sometimes, but it's not. It's one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. And it takes a lot of mental strength and a lot of mental capacity. But I believe that everyone here watching can do it. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.